Hi, this is Heather Smith and I am reviewing my Rasa newsletter. I'm curating it. It's an accounting apps newsletter and I create the blog posts that are feeding through for those that are interesting, that I feel are going to be suitable for my audience, which is tech-savvy accountants and bookkeepers who are looking for further education and information about this area. Now, I'll again repeat the type of blog. Here I'm primarily looking at blog titles plus whether the blog post is worthy, but I'll repeat again the blog title aspects that I don't like. Short, boring, staff movements, real names, acronyms, events, awards, and anything that's to date specific that's actually out of date. So it's not even it's to date specific, it's out of date. Oh, and another one I should add to that is confusing, because I actually do, and I'm writing that down for myself to to remember, but confusing also causes a problem. And one of the things I'm going to do, as well as what I've done in the past, I'm going to show you how I use a headline analyzer to just help me sometimes change the blog title, because I can see the blog is worthy, but the blog title is boring. And interestingly, doing this has actually speeded me up. It's about half my time in actually curating the content. So thank you very much for listening in. So I will start with short. So here, again, you can see this is my platform. These are the blog titles that have fed through. What I'm looking at is my active ones, and I'm just going to I've literally got them all sitting here, and I'm just going to scoot through very quickly to see something that's too short. Salesforce FAQ. I really don't like it, but it could potentially be interesting, so I'm going to leave it in. It does let people know what it was about. Bouncing back. I would like more information in that, so I'm going to open that up and edit that one probably. What are one-on-ones? Not relevant for my audience. Sorry, Employment Hero. Too short. And we'll leave it. See, that's a bad one, but we're just going to the short ones. Intercom integrations, too short, doesn't make enough sense. See, the short ones are the easiest ones to get rid of. But I did like that. So I'm back to the top again. Bouncing back, let's pop here. This is Zahara. Is your business ready for the return? See, that title I actually prefer. Is your business ready for the return? And I'm going to copy that out. That's going to be quite easy for me to update there. So see, bouncing back just means nothing. So let's see if I can find it again. It was a short one. Oh, didn't see. DocuSign versus .loop. I'm leaving that one in there. Here it is here. Clicking on edit. The likelihood is I'll get more people reading that because it's sort of a question. It might be more exploratory. Okay, so let's go back through and see if we've got any, well, we're looking for generally the other things that we'd be looking for. Starting at the top, we have lab procedures. That's not going to be relevant for accountants or bookkeepers. Pitch Decks 101, yes, would be relevant. This one is my recent podcast. That will be relevant. Let's scoot through. I don't like part ones there. That's a point actually. Part 1 and part 2. I don't like those. They're confusing for people unless they're just sitting on the blog. What I'm going to do is edit it and remove part 1. I understand that people don't think other people can read long form articles, but that's why but I'll remove the part 1 because that can be confusing. Feature spotlight. Outlook add-in for Microsoft 365. So I'm going to look at that. See, it's not pulling out the right thing there. so it's actually action steps. So I'm going to pop back in there and edit it. The thing is, on their blog, it makes sense, but for many reading it, they don't know who action step is, and they think Spotlight is an accounting business intelligence solution. And I'm going to just pop down here. I'm going to grab that to actually fulfill. See, they've not got a great description sitting there on their blog, so I've actually given them a better description there. Rookie error. Okay. Action step product updates, we don't like those. I can go in and have a look and I'll see if typically they repeat. Let's see if they've got anything. Living where lawyers live. Oh, okay. There. That one's okay. We'll change that. We'll change the heading to that. Use action steps templates to save hours on email drafting. And I'll edit that. Excellent. And it was all capitals, but c'est la vie. Okay, so this is a podcast. I don't know. I'm going to go in there and work out who he is, what his actual job position is. See, like, no, I don't know who this person is. No one knows who he is. I know in Teacup he knows who he is there. I'll put that in there. Edit. Paste. As a self... Oh, it's already there. No, I put it in the wrong space. I put it in. Change that there. Okay, and we'll save that. So it's giving them a generic title rather than their actual name, which people just won't know. Okay. Looks interesting, but no, we won't keep that for accounting technology lovers. The faces behind the Sana interviews, no, we won't like that. We're all omni-channel now. Revel is all Revel. So this will go. Revel now offers omni-channel. Revel now offers omni-channel. They just the blog titles just aren't descriptive enough. It's a shame. So much changing. How the pandemic changed payments permanently. Great. Yep. 6 Google Sheet. Yes, that's a good one. Yes, that's a good one. I'll pop that out because it's not really accounting technology, but yes, it looks like a good one. We play, no. Okay, Revel, yes, we'll leave that in. 105 questions to ask in a 101. Okay, I'm going to leave that in. I did delete the other 101 and 1, but that one is a bit longer. Actually, no. No, I'm going to take it out. It's not relevant for accountants and bookkeepers. How much does invoice finance cost? Yes, slightly relevant. Unemployment, I'll take that out because they're a point of sale system, so not their area of speciality, so it's not going to be feature rich. That is, however, more slanted towards their reality, being a point of sale system. Okay, I don't mind that one. How does tracking with project startup team term sheet template from Y Combinator? Okay, don't exactly understand it, but that's okay. Yep. Don't like competitive ones, but yeah, I'll leave that one in. 7 ways to maximize your email marketing. Okay. A message to you, Kafka. To you, Kafka. I don't know what Kafka is. Isn't it lamb? Oh no, that's kofta. A message to you, Kafka. Oh, okay. Kafka is a fast, scalable, and durable Polish published subscribed messaging system that can support data stream processing. Okay, well that's interesting. Some people will click through and read on that. That's great. Unless they think they're getting a lamb kofta recipe. Bit complicated, but I'll leave it in. Oh, excellent. People will like that one. How to manage strong sales funnel. 10 tips for engineering goals. No, because accountants and bookkeepers are not engineers. They could probably repurpose that one into be a project management one that would be relevant for accountants and bookkeepers, however. That's interesting. Is your business ready for the return? Yeah, I changed that one. Cloud computing, the future, blah, but yes, we'll keep that. How live chat grew revenue, increased customer happiness with Recurly. How to write a business plan. Co-star column. Okay, I'm going to look at that one. What is a warehouse management system? Good, nice, simple one there. Managing leave. Yep, that's a good one. Good Brisbane-based company, Tanda. Kintsugi, the golden veins of disruption. Oh, okay, that's cool. I think it's when the Japanese bowl breaks, you repair it with gold. Cloud accounting added to syllabus at UJ. University of Johannesburg. That's interesting, but no, gone. 6 tips to improve your business. 10 Instagram questions and ideas and stickers. How to. I'm going to drop that one. Kind of sounds interesting, but I'm going to drop it. Let me go back up and find the one we had here. So close. Oh, this is the release one. So that's Tom, co-star column. I think commercial. I think what's happened is they've repurposed the column, and that's why they've called it co-star column. And I'm going to I'm going to remove the co-star bit because that's a bit confusing. Great solution, very popular around the world, and we'll save that there. Excellent, Tom. We can close that one down, and scoot down. Offline payment. Okay, this one. Okay, so I'm back at Lisco. Okay, popping it open. Oh, and look at the real estate on this blog. It's just wasted. Massive image there that kind of doesn't give me a lot of sense. Massive banner border thing at the top here. Just lost. And they're popping up to say, help me. New user type specialist. Lists. Okay, so how about Lisco introduces new user type. Okay, and it's instructions on how to do it, which I don't have a problem with, but they had some formatting problems there. Lisco introduces. See, I just kept with their capitalizing. And see this, the description. So the description they must have filled out when they posted it. And it has come through and it's just not useful enough, is it? You can see there. So if I just put that in, I want to, this information is going out there into the community. I want to try and capture people in to read it. So set your blogs up correctly, people. Go, you've gone. Oh, I'm going to try that in a while. I'll see if I get around to trying that. Okay, we've done that one. See, that's great. See, service business. Just give me the type of business. Don't give me the name. Give me the type of business. Offline payment instructions. Okay, so let's see if we can. IntelliBook is a. Okay, well that's cool. Bit blurry image there, but it's only a very short post with IntelliBook. Okay, edit with I'm all for going through and explaining all of your technologies. Again, I find people just don't do that enough, unfortunately, or all of your features. Yes, that's a good one. Okay, so there's a problem with that one. It's dated, etc. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, June 2020 Venture Data Report. Venture Data Report. Founded forwards, powered by Visible. No, I don't think that's really relevant for us. I'm going to remove that one. And then this one. See if I can get a better title for this. Okay, so this is the release report. UK rent collection climbs 46%, performing like for like with March quarter. So this seems to be something that they are putting out on a regular basis now, which I think, great. Highlight to people what big data you can actually access within your solution. Let's see. Techniques for time management, excellent. How to make your retail business environmentally and socially conscious, excellent. From the team at Hike POS. See, I don't know what. From NetSuite and Plumbing Set and Plumbers. I don't know what. Set to transform plumbing company, Perth Plumbing Company. Okay, Perth Plumbing Company. Excellent. Save. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. This one. I'll open it up and we're almost at the end. This is another one from my blog, which was a podcast we released. And okay, we need to find out what Scorpion Group is. Okay, excellent. So let's have a look. What is this one? June property market update. Property Me. Yeah, that's boring. Zing HR. Scorpion. A logistics and packaging company. Okay, logistics and packaging. Okay, so I'm going to come here and go edit. Paste. Company. Okay, and I'm saving that. I also just want to quickly check that my own blog post fed in enough information there. Yeah, it did. Awesome. Bonus episode, so I'll pop up that just to trim. Bonus episode of Cloud Stories podcast. Excellent. Excellent. And almost done. What I'm going to go and now do is look at, so now I'm at 53 articles, and I'm going to go and look at the inactive records to see if anything fell through from being inactive. Okay. Oh, I think that's a good one. Yep, so I wonder why that fell out. Fortunately, I don't know exactly why they fall out. I'm just going to show you as well. I'm going to copy that headline. See here? This, and I'll put this in the links. This I use to test how engaging my headline is. So let's go there, and you can see up 73. So 6 top tips to help you da 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 da. So look, it's a way to test your headline, and anything above 70 is good, I think. So I'm putting build X back in. See, join us at an event. No. Oh, PDF, favorite task and drag and drop. Every hour introduces. How about that? Every hour introduces. Save. Excellent. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to click on that to add it back in as active. Oh, stream time. Okay, stream time's a good solution to do in stream time. Great. And again, great headline. Your secret weapons in whatever your solution is. You know, that gets people reading that. It's funny, they're putting this out. They keep publishing that article. I'm going to select that again. I don't know again why it was deselected. Arrow flow. Look at that. Let's have a look what we have in arrow flow. Machine learning integrates human expertise with intelligent insight. I'm going to put that one in. In voice automation, I'm going to put that one in. And where's arrow flow? With every, we know the financial, as you prepare documentation. So I think it is. Okay. RO flow. RO flow. Okay, so I'm going to pop back over here and go into RO flow, edit to RO flow, and I'll get rid of that and I'll save that. And so I'm then popping back to the 25 inactive articles. Let's make sure that I've made it active. Has op. Oh, that looks like it could be interesting, so I'll put that one in as well. Excellent. So I've come to the end of that, and you can see this. Look, I will highlight this about Rasa. You have this big black line up the top here, and you've got this big black line down the bottom here, so you're losing a lot of real estate on your screen. Every time you make a change, you get this bar up here again, so losing a lot of real estate on my screen. I personally don't like that. I want my real estate back. And show my active records. What's going to happen now is that I have 61 articles. Each newsletter that the subscriber receives is populated with 15 articles, and they are chosen as per what they have been clicking on in the past, the sort of the metadata that they've been clicking on in the past. And I will again, I'll do that test again. I'm going to copy that one. That's a good one. copy, and I'm going to bring this, I'll bring this in so you can see it. Let's see if it will freshen up for me. So you can see the headline there, so hopefully that's going to clear out there for me. Excellent, it did. Headlines.sharethrough.com, and I should be able to freshen up and put a new headline there, which I will do. Task automation, and let's find out. So I do encourage you to test this. See, it's come up with 58 characters, words. Headline is a bit low, but it does go through and talks to you about engagement, the impression, and does give you some sort of suggestions for other ways to improve it. Where's the brand? Use more alert words, talk about the body, try adding a celebrity. Okay, so that's just another little tip there for you. Thank you for listening. And I encourage you, in the notes will be where you can sign up to my newsletter, and I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be great. Thanks, guys.